Hello and welcome to Skills and Trade. In today's exciting video, we're going to polish this aluminum tray with the Formula 1 metal polish to reveal a mirror shine. So what we're going to do is take some of this Formula 1 metal polish, place it on our Scott Blue shop towel, then we're going to rub it in to this aluminum tray until it's as dark as possible. Then we're going to grab another Scott Blue shop towel to wipe away this polish to reveal a mirror shine. Formula 1 metal polish works quickly to clean, restore, and brighten aluminum and other metal surfaces. It helps remove oxidation and light tarnish while bringing back a clear, reflective shine. And I just want to thank you all so very much for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Please leave a comment down in the comment box and have a wonderful day.